So welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make curved beams on ProtaStructure. Right, let's get right into it. So first of all, my curved beam is going to be at the center. So I need to take out these straight beams I have here, right, and zoom out a bit so you can see that. So I'll be having a curved beam around the center of my building. So what I do is go to modeling tab, click on beams. Right, my beam is going to be a 225 by 450 depth beam. So what you're going to come, you're going to see a place they call curved beam section. So you click on it. You're going to pick the first point, right? Because even if you check, you're going to say pick two axis intersection for member insertion. So you pick the first one, pick the second one. Alright, so the next thing you're going to put now is the radius of the curve. In my case, the radius of my curve is 1000 millimeters, 1 meter. Alright, so I just press my function 2 button so I'll be able to edit that. Press 1000. For some people that the function 2 does not work right ahead, you can press your FN key before pressing F2. Okay, so you do that again. Pick the first one, click the second one, the radius 1000. Pick the first one, click the second one, my radius 1000. First one, second one, radius 1000. Alright, so that is my curved beam. I can go ahead and just insert my slab. Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry. So check your 3D view. You can have this. Hope you've learned something from Rubixx structures today. If you have, please do well to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also drop comments as to videos you would want us to do for you. Thank you.